Hi, LindaBauwin here from StampingWithLinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. If you joined me last Friday, you know I gave you a great tip on how to use the little pieces from the Christmas Rose stamp set and your Stamparatus. Now, the Christmas Rose stamp set and suite is part of the Christmas Time is Here suite that is available only for a limited time. Once supplies are gone, it's done. But I have a PDF tutorial that will also teach you other cards that you can do with this beautiful bundle. Make sure you get your hands on it. But today I am going to teach you no line stamping with this stamp set. Now I am going to bring in my Stamparatus, and I've already got my pieces set up from the tip that I showed you last week on how to stamp your rose with just two stamps, two inkings of your stamps. And so I left it the same, and today I'm going to show you no line stamping. Now I have our white note cards that are already cut and pre-scored. They do come with envelopes, and I am just going to put that into my Stamparatus. I am going to be using my soft sea foam for my green. So we're going to ink those leaves, stamp that on my note card. Then what I'm going to bring in is my Highland Heather, and I'm going to use the Highland Heather on the berries. Again, this is considered no line. Now we do have a detailed rose that goes with this set, but I'm going to choose not to use it. Now, we've got our berries and our leaves done with our Stamparatus. We're going to grab our stamp. We're going to go ahead and take this out. I am just going to take the center rose and I'm going to ink that again with that Highland Heather. Going to stamp it on a piece of Whisper White. Gives you a very pretty detail, and what I have done is I have already cut it out. So we're just going to take the Stamparatus, move this over to the side. We're going to bring in that note card that we stamped. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of this. And we're just going to put it on top of our note card. So again, this is called no line stamping because we're not going to have that outline of that rose. We've got that. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the little pine cone and I'm going to go in with the grape, and I'm just going to stamp my pine cone. Probably should have stamped my pine cone before I put my card together, but it's going to work just fine. So I want you to tell me, which do you like better? Now I have done the no line, but I have popped up that center. But here's another card I did, and I left it all flat. So instead of cutting it out, I just stamped it right on the note card. And then thirdly, I did it with the outline of that rose. So three totally different looks with this Christmas Rose stamp set. Again, doesn't look like Christmas, so you can use this stamp set for other things. So give me a shout out, comment on YouTube or on my blog on which one of these cards you like the best. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.